Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Acezone A Spire gaming headset. Now, you might not have heard much about Acezone, but trust me, this headset is making waves in the gaming community. Let's see what it's all about. First off, let's talk design. Now, the A Spire might not win any awards in the fashion department, but when it comes to comfort, it's top-notch. The lightweight build and plush cushioning make it perfect for those long gaming sessions. And those easy-to-use controls on the ear cups? A nice touch. Now, let's talk about the audio. Whether you're gaming or jamming out to your favorite tunes, the A Spire delivers. With 40mm drivers and a mix of active and passive noise cancellation, you'll hear every detail crisp and clear. Plus, with specific presets for FPS games like Counter-Strike 2 and Apex Legends, you'll have a competitive edge. And what about the microphone? Well, it's not just for gaming. With its flip-to-mute feature and clear audio capture, it's perfect for Discord chats or even recording voiceovers. Plus, with the Acezone companion app, you can customize your experience even further. Now, let's talk accessories. The A Spire comes with everything you need, including a hard case for travel, an aux cable, and a USB charging cable. And with 35 hours of wireless playback, you'll have plenty of juice to get you through the day. Well, while the A Spire might not be the flashiest headset on the market, its impressive features and top-notch performance make it a solid choice for gamers and content creators alike. If you're looking for a versatile headset that delivers on all fronts, the Acezone A Spire is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time.